Hello. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to add security checks to your Node modules or packages in your project. So here I have my VS Code editor open, and this is just a random project that uses Node. As you can see, I have quite a few modules installed. If I look into my package.json file, I have a list of dev dependencies of modules. So what happens is these modules have been written by some developer or developers. So anyone can actually publish their own package using Node Package Manager, and anyone can download it. So by doing this, you although get that particular package, there can be any security vulnerabilities that can be available in your project and you are not aware of those issues. Now to overcome this issue, we have two ways how we can actually check these securities issue. So number one way is Retire.js, and the other way is using Node Security Platform. I'm going to tell you how to use Node Security Platform, which is a free service for all your open source projects. So let us see it in action. So I'm going to use the integrated terminal in VS Code editor. You can also use this same command in terminal or command prompt if you're using Windows. So I'm going to install this NSP package. As you can see, it has been installed globally because I would like to use it from anywhere in on my system. Now the way how you check for security issues is by writing this command and hit enter. And as you can see, everything was good. It says no known vulnerabilities found, which is a good sign. Now say suppose if you had any such issues, it should have like prompted in the command prompt. So there are a few ways you can how you can use this. Number one is like the manual way, like how I did actually by just writing NSP check. Now this is not a good way because if you are doing it in manual way, you will most probably you will forget it. And now if you're working in a team, you can actually add this check in the build process. Now you can do it when your development starts by using npm start command, or you can also use it in your production build, or when you actually pull request like any of your code. So it depends on what time, like what point of the workflow you would like to add this check. I think it is a good practice to add this check when you actually develop, so by using npm start command. Although it will take some time because it needs like network connection. It may be little bit slow, but it actually helps, so that the sooner you find any issues, you can actually tackle it, so not in your production while you are actually in development, which is good. So you can also feel free to actually go through a documentation for Retire.js. And although this Node security platform is what I use because it is also free, it has a good documentation and quite a good resources available as well, and it has got good community support as well. So like people helping answering your questions either on Stack Overflow and on the forums. So yeah, let me know if you have any issues. Thank you.